So having said that, I think lahat naman nahimasmasan, lahat naman po tayo ay nakapag-reflect. So I was reflecting on, and ma'am, pwede ba after this just to show a short video ni General Torre? Kasi ito ma'am, Republic Act number 7438, an act defining certain rights of a person arrested, detained, or under custodial investigation, as well as the duties of the arresting, detaining, and investigating officers, and providing penalties for the violation thereof. May I also, akin to court na pagkawala po o hindi pinayagan yung ebidensyang i-offer, dito i-proffer. No? So wala sila, pero hindi ibig sabihin hindi ko pwedeng ilagay sa record yung tanong at baka sa media nila sagutin, baka dito later on. Ang linaw po kasi dito, nakalagay po dito.
Okay lang kay Senator Cayetano kasi may chronological
Okay,
presentation
one line
tayo
lang.
at saka si Senator Bato gustong
Okay,
pag-usapan din yung arrest.
sige ma'am.